All right, good morning, everybody. Quick little update. As you can see, we have Deviating open. We are currently in a position, one contract down here, Nasdaq. I didn't wake up today at 5. I woke up at 7. I wanted to rest while I had a long night yesterday. So yesterday, this was a trade we lost, and we tried to go for a counter short for no reason, even though sellers didn't claim anything. We were looking for shorts. Got absolutely destroyed for going against the trend. This morning, though, today's session, we had an overnight liquidity grab of a very strong supply zone. Donald Trump is doing his thing. We ended up shorting a massive candle from 20,000 all the way down to literally back into the 18,800 range. That's where we've been playing all the way up to 19,200, excuse me. Have a supply at London highs. We're looking for shorts, and that's exactly what we did, right? So let me explain to you what's going on right now with the eval, this account. Bro, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I had NQ open here. Bro, I got blessed on accident. You gotta be careful about this. Look, I had NQ here accidentally because I don't really trade on Deviating, but right now it's not allowing me to sign into my trading view account right here. It doesn't let me, so whatever. Open Deviating so I can show you guys. Well, basically so I can execute some trades, but also check this out. I know Nasdaq right now is very oversold, so we do have potential to the upside throughout the day. We should see some bullish momentum coming to the markets. Anyways, as I was saying, I was able to get this cheeky little, bro, look, 5 contracts. I shorted 5 cons on accident. I was on NQ when I meant to put mini NQ. Thankfully, it went in my trade. It went in my favor. The position kept trending, but you have to be very aware of what's going on because, bro, I seen it literally come up and it was like $800 loss, bro. You have $1,000 stop loss on these accounts. But anyways, I wanted to tell you how I recovered basically $1,250. Hence, it's all profit now, and that's why I'm in this current position with one con. Literally, typically when I'm doing a contract, just one contract, if that thing goes down 100 points, it's not too big of a deal to me. It's not a lot of risk, but anyways, we have that playing out. Currently negative $100 in it, but for the day we're up right here. So that's why that position's in the market. Back in profit. We did lose $1,000 yesterday. That was very embarrassing. Literally missed a great potential trade that hit a 1 to 9, all because I put in a market limit order when I never do that, and I don't do it for that reason. Enough of me rambling. I'm gonna leave the charts here. I'm gonna leave you guys watching what's going on, which would be this guy. We could close this out. Gotta be very careful when trading mini NQs compared to NQ. I went max contracts 5 on NQ. Thankfully, that went in my way, but if it didn't, you guys would have seen me all sour. Would have blown up my only account. You guys already know what happened with the 100K account, but it is what it is. What can we do? Live, we learn. How much are we up today? I don't want it to break past 1,500 because it's gonna be 50% of profit. Let's see. Anywhere up there, we'll close the position. So at 75, but got more room. 80s. Just gonna close it there for this account because I don't want to hit $1,500. Clearly with Top Step, you can't hit more than your best day with 50%. So close that out. Done here. Anyways, that's a quick little update. Today has been a profitable day. Super happy with what happened in the evaluation account. I messed up, man. At the start of March, on March 6th, I had 4 G's in crypto. Made some very bad moves. Unfortunately, got rug pulled and lost everything, man. It got to a point where it was no longer about trading. I was just in such a negative spot with all my emotions and just things that were going on. You gotta run it up. You gotta be safe and trade logistically, bro. Never put your money in something you don't know what you're getting yourself into. My mistake. Never done that before. We live, we learn, and we don't let them happen again because it's not good, but you have to hold yourself accountable. It was no one's fault. I purchased what I purchased and I accepted the risk, and I knew that was going to be a potential outcome. So now I'm just living through the process, trying to recover, not discouraged. I'm actually encouraged to come back even stronger. If I could flip 100, I could flip 1,000. If I could flip 1,000, I could flip 5,000. If I could flip 5, so on and so forth. It's just a numbers game. Risk management, capital preservation, and educate yourself before putting your money in something you have no idea. Think and Grow Rich, man. Read the book by Napoleon Hill. If you're feeling discouraged, need some encouragement, need something that's gonna open up your mind, Think and Grow Rich by Mr. Napoleon Hill will do that exact thing for you. Talk to you guys soon. I'm gonna keep you updated. Get some food, bro. Make some coffee, because y'all already know how I be, bro. I need my coffee.